So hello, welcome back to our channel as an engineer. So today we come up with some important data structure question of the graph. So we know that Capgemini hiring process is running on. So mm, here are some important data structure question which can be asked in the Capgemini MCQ or technical round. So the first question is, which of the following statement for a simple graph is correct? So there are four options, and the correct answer will be every path is a trail. Means in the graph every path is like a trail. So we go to the second question. In the given graph, identify the cut vertices. Means in the given graph we have to find where the cut point, that here we can see that a b don't have any cut point, and a have a only 2 degree first ad and ab, and d also have a 2 degree we can go with d to b and d to a. What from b can go to a, b can go to d, and b can also go to c. So this is a cut point b and c. So this answer will be b and c. The answer will be d. So the third question is that for the given graph g, sorry, what happened? Sorry, what happened? Sorry for that. So the third question is that for the given graph g, which of the following statement is true? So we have a graph a b c d e vertices. So first option is g is a complete graph, g is a not connected graph, the vertices connectivity of graph is 2, the edge connectivity of the graph is a 1. So first option is g is a complete graph. So here complete graph is a graph that have a that all that from the one node we can traverse all the other nodes. So it can be possible, yes. And g is not a connected graph, so it is a connected graph. We can say that from a to b can go to last node, that is e. So it's not correct. The vertices connectivity of the graph is 2. We cannot say 2 because we have a d e means 3 connectivity, and the edge connectivity of the graph is 1. No, so the answer will be g is a complete graph. We can also see, sorry, the vertices connectivity of the graph is 2, sorry, which is true. So the true is the vertices connectivity of the graph is 2. So the fourth question is, what is the number of edges present in a complete graph having n vertices? So if the graph have n vertices, means the number of edges present in complete graph will be n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So we can also see the answer. The answer is B is correct. And explanation here, number of ways in which every vertices can be connected to each other is nc2, means n is their vertices. We go to the fifth question. The given graph is irregular. Means regular graph is a graph in which every node have a same degree. We can say that a have a what degree, how many degree, how much degree. So how 1 2 3, a have a 3, b also have a 3, and we can say every node have a 3 degree. So yes, this is true. A answer will be. So explanation, in a regular graph degree of the all vertices are equal. In the given graph the degree of every vertex is 3. So next question, in a simple graph the number of edge is equal to the twice of the sum of degrees of the vertices. Here the number of edges is equal to the twice the sum of the degree of all. It's not correct. The correct answer is the twice the sum of degree of vertices is equal to the twice of number of edges. So this is false. We can also take explanation, the sum of degrees of all vertices is equal to the twice the number of edges. Next question, a connected planar graph having 6 vertices 7 edges contains how many regions? So the option is 15 3 1 11. So here is to find regions which we have a formula n minus q plus r equal to 2. So n is here 6 minus 7, 6 minus 7 minus 1 plus r equal to 2. So that means r equal to 3. So the answer will be 3. So we also say that by Euler's formula the relation between vertices and edges q and regions is given by n minus q plus r equal to 2. So next question, if a simple graph G contains n vertices and m edges, the number of edges in the graph G complement of G is. So here the answer will be first n into n. No, the answer will be n into n. Okay, answer will be n into n minus 2 into m divided by 2. The answer will be first. We can also see the example or the explanation. Next question, which of the following property does a simple graph not hold? Means simple graph have a simple graph means which has a zero, we can say zero edges and with one vertices. So first option is must be connected, must be unweighted, must have no loops or multiple edges, must have no multiple edges. So the answer will be must be connected, means simple graph will be this is not that it is must be connected or not. So the answer will be A. So what is the maximum number of edges in bipyrate graph having 10 vertices? So here is we have a formula, means n into 10 minus n. So the answer will be 25, means 25. So we can also see. So here C will be the answer, and formula we have it. The total number of edges would be n into 10 minus n differentiate with respect to n. So next question, which of the following is true? Or first option is a graph may contain no edges and many vertices. Option B, a graph may contain many edges and no vertices. And C, a graph may contain no edges and no vertices. And option last is a graph may contain no vertices and many edges. So the correct answer will be A. A graph may contains no edges and many vertices. Means only we have a we have just one vertices, and here is second vertex. These are two graphs, you can see. So a graph must contain at least one vertices. Next question is, for a given graph G having V vertices and E edges, which is connected and has no cycles, which of the following statement is true? So we can also see that if we have a two vertices, and so this is connected from one edges, so means we have a two vertices and one edges, means 2 equal to 1. So we have to V equal to E plus 1, means if we if we add 1 in the edges, number of edges, then it will be equal to the one number of vertices. So the answer will be B equal to E plus 1, means B will be the correct answer. So here we can also see. Sorry. So the next question is, for which of the following combination of the degrees of vertices would the connected graph be Eulerian? So the answer will be 1 2 3 2 3 4 2 4 5 1 3 1. The answer will be 1 2 3. We can also see the answer. So here the explanation, a graph is Eulerian if either all of its vertices are even, or if only two of its vertices are odd, means 1 or 3 will be odd vertices and 2 is either even. So 1 is even, 2 is odd. So that's the explanation here. And the next question is, a graph with all vertices having equal degree is known as, means the graph which has equal degree, means every node have a equal number of connected nodes. So the graph will be regular graph. The answer B will be correct. We can also see the explanation. The given statement is the definition of the regular graph. So the next question is, which of the following ways can be used to represent a graph? Means how many ways to represent a graph. So we can see that option 1 is adjacent list and adjacency matrix. Yes, these are two types of a representation of graph, and the option B is incidence matrix. So yeah, we can also um, represent by using incident matrix, and the option is C is adjacent matrix as well as incident matrix, and the fourth is no way to represent. So here C will be the correct answer, because we can represent a graph by using adjacency list matrix, and also from incident matrix. So the answer C will be the correct. So we go to the some next important question from the directed graph. So here the first question is that Dijkstra algorithm will work for both negative and positive bits. So we cannot say that Dijkstra algorithm is only work on positive bits. Means if you have a more than one bits, then Dijkstra algorithm will be possible. So the correct answer will be both negative and positive. Correct answer will be false. B will be the answer. Here is the explanation. Dijkstra algorithm assumes all weight to be non-negative. So go to the next question. A graph having an edge from each vertex to every other vertex is called A. Means one vertex is connected to the other vertices. Means they are tightly coupled. So here we can also see the option tightly connected, it will be the correct answer, and for second is strongly connected, weakly connected, and loosely connected. The answer will be tightly connected. You can also see the explanation. This is a part of no man culture followed in graph theory. So the next question is, what is the number of enabled simple directed graph that can be made with one or two vertices? So we can see that we have a one vertices and two vertices. So from the one vertices only we can made one graph, only simple one graph. From the two vertices we can also one, and if we have both one and two, then we can also draw the third type of graph. So we can say, and if we connect both, then they will be the four. So the answer will be 4. We can also see the answer. Here is the explanation. From the one vertex we can represent the graph, and from the second and third and fourth. So here is answer will be 4. So the fourth or next question is, Floyd-Warshall algorithm used to solve the shortest path problem has a time complexity of. Floyd-Warshall algorithm used to solve the shortest path problem has a time complexity of. The option is big of v into v, and the next is big of v into v into v, and the next is o big of e into v, and d is o e into e. So the correct answer will be for Floyd-Warshall algorithm b, that is big of v3 or b cube we can say. So we can also see the answer. Here is the explanation. The algorithm use dynamic programming and check for every possible path. So the next question is that all graphs have unique representation on paper. All graphs have a unique representation. Sorry, all graphs don't have any unique representation, but some graphs have a unique representation. Mean same graph can have a unique representation, but all graphs don't have any type of unique representation. So the answer will be false for that. So here we can also say the explanation. Some same graph may be drawn in different ways on paper. So the next question is that assuming value of every nodes to be greater than 10, in which of the following cases the shortest path of a directed weighted graph from vertices u and b will never change. So the first option is add all values by 10, and the second is subtract 10 from all the vertices, and the third one is multiply all values by 10, and in next is in both the cases of multiplying and adding by 10. So the answer may be C. Multiply all values by 10. We can also see the answer. As the answer C is correct. And next question is there, what is the maximum possible number of edges in a directed graph with no self loop having 8 vertices? Means the graph which don't have any type of loops will be simple graph. So in the simple graph we can also see that the formula is at nc, we can say uh, n into n minus 1. So here n, that is 8 into n minus 1, that is 7. So 8 multiplied 7 will be 56. So here is the explanation. If a graph has a b vertices, then every vertex can be connected to a possible of b minus 1 vertices. So the next question is, what would be the DFS traversal of the given graph? DFS means, we simply say that depth first search. So means we have to traverse depth wise. So if we search from A, then we go to the D, then go to the E, then go to the B and C. So we can say that A, D, E, A, first option A, B, C. This is not correct. A, E, D. This is also not correct. E, D, C, B. So this is also not correct. So the our answer will be A, D, E, C, B. So fourth will be correct. Sorry, A will be correct. Sorry. DFS. Sorry, DFS. Depth first search. A, B, C. So this is another way of, sorry, this is another way of, we can also go from A, D, E, B, C. So this is not answer, this is not in the option. So here only A, B, C, E, D. So this is correct. So here are possible including, I have also answered. My answer is here A, D, E, B, C. A, D, E, B, C. So this is not in the option, so that's why I will not correct. So this type of pseudocode or code we will further explain. So this was the MCQ that are very important. It may be come in the Capgemini which is running on. So thank you for that. Please do subscribe and hit the like button because it motivates me to make more videos. Thank you.